We should have stayed up there. It's fucking cold. Let's pray. You filming me?
No.
Filming me?
No.
I'll take a picture of you.
No, I'm not, I promise. Stop, that shit's OD, man. I can't.
You hear that? Yeah.
Stop, you OD. Chill, my eyes hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not filming you. I'm just holding the camera.
Yeah, open it. Film it. Pointing it.
What?
In my face. You have it in my face. Why would you have an open camera in my face? Not taking a picture. You're filming me, yo.
No.
Pow.
Stop, you keep taking stupid pictures of me and then you're gonna waste all the film in that one.
Yeah, I know, it's just gonna be mad stupid pictures.
Yeah, chill. You wanna take some pictures.